Today, we're stepping inside one of America's toughest shipbuilding factories to see how a 9,000-ton destroyer begins. From raw steel to a warship's first shape, this entire process starts right here.
Every plate is shaped to exact naval tolerance.
How are the pressure readings looking on your end?
Everything's nominal. The system is performing flawlessly.
Controlled pressure forms the destroyer's lower hull. Destroyers are built block by block. Each section becomes part of the final ship. The keel sets the destroyer's spine. Everything depends on this accuracy. Every joint must be airtight and structurally perfect.
Inspection never stops. The ship's safety begins right here.
We need to reinforce these panels before the next phase.
Agreed. Let's get the team on it.
The bow is shaped for hydrodynamic balance in rough seas.
Deck panels lock the hull structure together, forming the destroyer's upper strength. The destroyer's turbine system delivers extreme power using precision mounting points. Electrical routes are organized early to avoid chaos later in the assembly. Multiple decks are built layer by layer, creating the ship's internal structure.
Critical mounting systems require perfect alignment for future equipment.
Inspection continues at every level. No section moves forward without clearance. Every side module is pre-aligned to reduce errors during final assembly.
Armored cabling protects critical systems even under combat shock.
Vertical launch cells demand perfect alignment before installation begins.
Sensitive electronics are protected from ship vibrations using isolation systems. Control systems are installed early to simplify later integration.
A destroyer receives multiple protective coatings before it ever touches water.
And that's all there is to it.
Every system is tested repeatedly before the ship becomes operational.
Initial spin tests confirm turbine stability before ignition. The power driver thumps as the crane moves into position. A destroyer's first float test marks its transition from construction to life at sea.